and welcome to Geojit Spotlight. According to 2022 SEBI regulation, it is mandatory for KRAs, KYC registration agencies, to validate the KYC details based on their records, including customer identity information such as mobile number, email ID, etc. Failure to update and validate your mobile number and email ID will result in the exchange deeming your account ineligible for trading. Consequently, you will be unable to place buy or sell orders or exit any existing positions. To validate your details on the KRA website, you need to first determine which KRA or KYC is registered with your account. Here's how to check. Visit cvlkra.com, click on KYC Enquiry, enter your PAN, input the CAPTCHA and click Submit to retrieve the status. Check the KRA and KYC status column to identify the registered KRA. There are 5 KRAs: CVL KRA, KAVI KRA, NDML KRA, .x KRA, CAMS KRA. Once you have identified the KRA, follow these steps to update your mobile number and email ID on the KRA website. Enter your PAN and click outside the box to retrieve your mobile number and email ID. Click on Generate OTP next to the mobile number and email ID fields. Enter the OTP and verify. After both the mobile number and email ID are verified, click Submit and exit to initiate the verification request. It may take up to 5 working days for the status to be updated on the KRA website, after which you can resume trading. Thank you for watching and happy trading.